music. 2006. Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling.
Hello, I'm Amna Nawaz. And I'm Jeff Bennett. Thank you for watching PBS NewsHour right here on Idaho Public Television. Watch PBS NewsHour weeknights on Idaho Public Television.
Movie quiz. La La Land for 2016 stars Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling. They're Hurt. Nominated for 14 Academy Awards. Who won a first Oscar for acting? I did it to myself. I done. Emma Stone. It's been 6 years. I don't do it anymore. La La Land. See you Friday on Idaho Public Television.
Lila and Duluth, streaming free on PBS Kids.
Other television.
Hey everybody, time to get to know PBS Kids Nature Show. Onward and onward, Ali, Ali ho! Onward and onward. Look at the nature cat. Ali ho! Onward, onward, Ali.
Television.
Ali ho!
Vision.
I gotta stop saying that. Check out the PBS Kids series with that outdoor explorer extraordinaire, Nature Cat. Streaming now free on PBS Kids.
La La Land for 2016.
On PBS Kids, kids
And
are
Ryan
talking about
Gosling.
big feelings. Sometimes
Nominated for 14 Academy Awards. Who won a first Oscar for acting?
Real kids, real parents talk about the real importance of
Emma
creating
Stone.
habits for managing emotions.
Is it okay to be sad?
Yeah, but no, that shouldn't.
La La Land. See you Friday.
All new episodes of PBS Kids Talk About now on PBS Kids.
Television. Dee-dee.
There's real magic in using music to tell a story. You've got about 3 minutes and about 200 words to tell a complete story. I told that to a preacher friend of mine one.
You're watching Idaho Public Television's Create channel.
For 14.
Not many black folks say, I want you to be a playwright, child. But a playwright she is. Her powerful words have resonated with audiences around the world. I know everybody is saying, Negro folk, white folk, we all alike.
Well, at the most human level, we...
Lord under her belt and studying, lining up to see her latest Broadway music.
Good evening, Corey. It's here near the Spokane River where the Sandy School will break ground for those new.
That's the backyard, big full of shit. Just kidding. He's staying with Claire and Phil.
This whole thing was a life well planned.
I love being in 2050. I love being
Look.
back in
Other television.
and seeing myself in there and it's a lot of personal growth. It makes my heart happy.
Funding was also provided by the Freeman Foundation, the Judy and Peter Bloom Kovler Foundation, upholding freedom by
Friday.
democracies at home and abroad.
I'm not. ABC News.
I'm Katrina Perry in Washington, and this is BBC World News America. Another apartheid showdown, this time with South Africa's president, and President Trump confronts him with discredited claims of a fight genocide. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu says the offensive in Gaza will continue until all parts of Gaza come under Israeli control. And the fateful president.
Look.
Paul, at 15 weeks, you can imagine. But what makes these waters of particular interest to me is what else can be found beneath the surface. someone say that it's like driving on champagne, and it absolutely is not an exaggeration. It's pretty amazing. Methane gas is typically going over CO2. So when you heard the gas bubble coming out, within the Coral Reef area, something said, hey, this is an opportunity to go look at how a ton of CO2 might be affecting coral reef communities. And maybe that can counteract to what's going on with the ocean. The chemistry of sea is changing throughout the world's oceans. Since the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, human activities have increased the amount of CO2 that is released into the atmosphere. The oceans naturally absorb a percentage of atmospheric carbon dioxide every year. As the levels of CO2 increase in the atmosphere, more of it will be taken up by the oceans as well. And this causes essentially a lower pH.
The FDA's Independent Vaccine Committee is set to meet tomorrow. A final recommendation on who's concerns over missile threats from China and Russia. Trump said Tuesday that his house Golden Dome will be able to intercept.
People who use that term, unfortunately, people don't understand how much holy